Dupee back at you with some more epic wild content. This video was requested by Mr. David Rogers. And I got a couple videos to shoot for you, David, but rest assured I'm going to take care of it, get her done for you. Couple announcements before I get started. Today I'm going to be talking about the top 3 ways to get full MLS access in your market, okay? Top 3 ways, okay? So basically, if you are local to the Charlotte market and you would like to attend a meetup, holla at your boy. I host a meetup monthly. It will be January 28th, 7 to 9 p.m. The link will be in the description. Yours truly have just launched the course. It's $9.97, packed with epic wild content. You don't want to miss it. In any event, you don't have any funds to buy the course right now, no worries. I do have a free course available for you. And basically, the course that I have available for you, the link is in the description. And it basically teaches you how to find delinquent tax properties, okay? I still hunt for delinquent tax properties to this day. I think it's a very powerful strategy. You don't need no money to do it. All you need is a computer and a phone and internet, okay? All right. So last but not least, I do have a free ebook I want to bless your people with. My framework, everything, the why behind why I do what I do, a couple tips and tricks to be successful at land flipping. Very, very important. I created this book because I wanted to have something for people to be able to look at and see, okay, these are the steps to basically getting the deal, doing the deal, and to determine their why behind why they want to do what they want to do. All right, so that's it for now. Thank you so much. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Hit the like button and leave a comment if you find anything valuable in this video. Top 3 ways to get full MLS access. This can be very challenging, if you will. I would say the number 1 top way is to add value to a realtor via helping them with lead generation. A lot of realtors new realtors do not have experience with lead generation, and if you can solve that problem for them, that would be a great help. I'll give you a couple examples of ways you can help them with lead generation. One thing you can do is help them set up a SMS campaign and basically help them prospect for listings. Okay, the same way we prospect for wholesale deals, realtors can do it for listings. It works just the same. Basically, and you want to teach them a couple things too. You want to tell them to look at to come at people from the perspective, and this is what you want to teach them. Ask the people, can they interview for the position to get them the highest and best offer? Very, very golden nugget. I was a realtor, so I have a lot of experience being a real estate agent. That's one of the tips I would say that, you basically want to tell them, keep it short and sweet. Ask them, can they interview for the position to get them the highest and best offer? Another way you can help them with lead gen is helping them set up a cold calling campaign via Mojo, and basically teach them how to set it up. It's not hard to set up. Basically, you want to show them how to pull a list of prospects, how to skip trace that list. Basically, tell them to pull a list on PropStream, skip trace the list. They can use a ton of different. They can do it inside of PropStream. They can do it inside of Lead Sherpa, Versium. I mean, there's a ton of platforms they can use to skip trace, and basically hold their hand and help them set up a lead generation platform. And the same thing applies. You tell them they want to ask the seller, can they interview for the position to get them the highest and best offer? Okay. Another thing you can do to add value to realtors, number 2, to get full MLS access, is find out where they need help in their business. Okay. A lot of realtors need help with transaction coordinator. Okay. You can say, hey, I got an amazing company that works nationwide. They have a flat fee, and basically they can help you with your transactions. If they don't have any transactions, you basically want to ask them, do they have a CRM? Okay, a lot of realtors, fresh getting started, don't have a CRM, don't know where to start, don't know where to go. Basically, you just want to solve a problem with them. Don't go in there. Listen, hear me out. To get full MLS access, don't go in there saying, hey, is there any way you can let me get MLS access so I can run comps on property? Don't do that. People want to know what's in it for them. You have to make sure you're adding value to them in such a way, and then once you have accomplished that, then you want to approach them. And if you're in North Carolina, in order to get full MLS access, all you have to do to be is an assistant to a broker. They have to be a broker. They cannot be a provisional broker, which is someone who's under the provision of a broker. So I'll be honest. I have MLS access in DC, is where I'm from, and the people that know me, like me, and trust me just let me use their login. You just have to kind of establish a relationship with people. 1, 2, add value to them, and 3, serve them well, and they will give you whatever you need to get done what you need to get done. Just like that. Just be a servant. Serve people, bless people, look out for the cookout. So basically, where would you start? Okay, if I was just getting started, I would go to Facebook groups, and I would say, I would put a post out there looking for investor-friendly agents, and basically offer to take them out for coffee or lunch, and say, hey, I specialize in lead generation or marketing or systems, automation. You know, I specialize. Find something that you can specialize in, that you can then teach them for free $99. Don't charge them nothing. And you just take them out, get to know them, make it about them. Make it really, really about them. Be very, very intentional about building a relationship, about telling them a little bit about you, telling them, you know, where you're from, where you grew up at, what you're doing full time. And just kind of see if you can get a synergy going where it can be a win-win for both parties. Or, last but not least, the third part you can do to get full MLS access is offer an exchange. Say, hey, I do a ton of marketing daily, and a lot of these deals don't fit the bill. What if I can bring you in as my investor-friendly agent and position you for the listing to interview for the position to get them the highest and best offer? That's it. You can just, the leads that you are overpriced or you can't make work, you can refer them to the agent. Make sure they're leads that they can sell. Okay. All right. So if you see the comps for $75,000 and you know they want $150,000, don't send them that opportunity. Don't waste their time. Okay. But if you see someone wanting $75,000 and the comps are $75,000, then you want to ask the seller this. Unfortunately, I cannot make that price work. However, would you be open to allowing my partner, which is an investor-friendly agent, interview for the position to get you that $75,000? How does that sound? A lot of people are open to that. They are open to it. Again, you just want to be very, very intentional, very strategic, and straight to the point. Short and sweet gets it. But do not, listen, hear me out. Do not come straight off the bat saying, hey, I'm just trying to get MLS access to run comps, and yeah, you're not going to get anywhere with that. So key number 1, add value. 2, build a relationship. 3, be intentional. Hope that helps you. Thank you, David Rogers, for requesting that video. And that's how I got MLS access. I'll tell you the story how I got MLS access here in Charlotte, North Carolina. I came here. I didn't know nobody. Nathaniel, Nautica, nobody. Okay. I found this agent, and she was an older woman, not that older, in her 50s, and she struggled with lead generation. Okay. So I solved that problem for her, and I asked her, hey, is there any way you can share your login with me? She was like, actually, I don't even have to share my login with you. I can add you as an assistant on my account. And I've had MLS access for years now because I was able to add value to her. So again, if you want something from people, lesson number 1. If you want something from people, serve them first. Look out for the cookout. Bless their socks off. And whatever you need will be added unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you. I hope you was able to get some nuggets from this. I do thank you for your time and consideration. I know time is one of your most valuable assets. Again, there's a lot of opportunities out here, people, to flip land. Listen, don't get it twisted. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. If you want to get into the land game, listen, holla at your boy. I got plenty of content out there. I got a free course, ebooks, cheat sheets, scripts, contracts in the Facebook group. Just get connected. Join the Facebook group. There's a lot of people in my Facebook group who are joint venturing, who are helping each other, who are doing deals, and who are making it happen. There's no excuses. Listen, there is no excuses. All right? Holla at your boy. I'm gone like the wind. See you later.